Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about Wondershare Recoverit. This is an AI-powered data recovery software that can help recover lost or deleted data. It supports recovery from your computer, memory cards, action cameras, and even drone cameras. Recoverit is available in different versions for Windows, Mac, and Linux. For today's demonstration, we'll be using the Windows version. First, let's download and install the software. The download and installation process is very simple. Once installed, you'll see the main interface. On the left side, you'll find your computer's drives and locations, SD card recovery, partition manager, file repair, and several other useful tools. Speaking of file repair, if any recovered files become corrupted or damaged, you can use this feature to repair them. Under the hard drive section, Recoverit displays all the drives connected to your PC, including any external drives. It also provides quick access to locations such as desktop, recycle bin, and this PC. For today's test, we'll focus on a memory card recovery. Once you insert a memory card, it will appear here automatically. We're going to use a memory card from our digital camera. As soon as we insert it, Recoverit detects it instantly. This is a 160 GB memory card. We'll select it and click on Scan. After clicking Scan, the scanning process begins. As you can see, Deep Scan is running, and the progress bar is displayed at the bottom. It's already around 30% complete. Since this card contains large DSLR video files, the scanning process may take some time. While the scan is running, let's take a look at the memory card itself. If we open the card and browse through the folders, you'll notice that there are no files available. Everything was completely deleted beforehand. I've checked each folder individually, and there is no data left on the card. The scan is now at around 34%, so let's give it some more time and come back once it's completed. Okay, the scan is now complete. As you can see, Recoverit has found 69 files. When you click Recover Now, it shows the available recovery options. It has identified 4 folders. First, you'll need to select the folder you want to recover. In our case, we'll choose the M4 root folder, because that's where our main files were stored. It contains 33 files, totaling approximately 13.25 gigabytes. When we click Recover, Recoverit asks us to select a destination folder. We'll choose a location on our PC and create a new folder called Recoverit. After selecting the folder and clicking Save, the recovery process starts immediately. One thing I noticed is how fast the recovery speed is. Even though we're recovering over 13 gigabytes of data, the process is moving very quickly. Let's wait a little and see the final results. Alright, as you can see, the recovery process has reached 99% and is now 100% complete. Recoverit prompts us to open the destination folder, so let's click Open Folder. Here is our newly created Recoverit folder. If we open it and go into the Clips directory, we can see that all of our files have been successfully recovered, including both videos and audio files. Let's open one of the recovered videos to verify the results. As you can see, the video plays perfectly. There are no missing frames, no corruption, and no quality loss. Everything has been recovered successfully. Overall, Wondershare Recoverit is an excellent data recovery solution. It recovered all of our files without any noticeable loss, making it a very useful tool for everyday use. If you're interested, we'll leave a link in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.